Good morning, students. Today we will start the topic human brain. So, in this, we will see human brain. Then we will see here different points. That is, we will see first introduction of brain. Then second, structure. Then parts and its function. And its function. So we will see introduction, structure, parts and its function. So first we'll see the introduction, that brain is the central processing organ of our body and it acts as command and control system. Since it is the central processing organ, means it is present in the center and it gives command and it has a control system, means what we have to do work or what not, means it works under the voluntary action. Voluntary action means which is in our control, and human brain is well protected by skull. So this is just introduction, and we will see the structure of brain. That so here brain has three parts. That is, first is first is forebrain, second hindbrain, and third is midbrain. And the brain, forebrain has different parts. That is cerebrum, this is cerebrum, it is a part of forebrain. Then second is hypothalamus. Midbrain and forebrain is present in the front part. Then second, what we have seen, that is midbrain, it is present in the middle, and third is hindbrain. So in hindbrain has also three parts, that is pons, medulla and cerebellum. So just we have seen the parts of the brain, that it has three parts, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain has two parts, cerebrum, hypothalamus, and one part more is there, that is thalamus, but it is not represented here. Then second is midbrain and third is hindbrain. Hindbrain has three parts, pons, medulla and cerebellum. So now we will see one by one. First we will see forebrain. So brain has three parts, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So first we will see the forebrain. Forebrain, what? It is the main thinking part of the brain, and it has forebrain has, we have seen that it has three parts, cerebrum, hypothalamus and thalamus. So forebrain is the main thinking part of the brain, and it has reason which receives sensory impulse from various receptors. Separate areas of the forebrain are specialized for hearing, smell, sight and so on. Since brain has different parts, so all the parts have different function. So in this, the forebrain is the thinking part, means it controls the voluntary action, and it is the site for learning and memory also.